Hello, it's Vincent and Zapanta.
And Chrizal Zayas.
And our program is a book compiler where you can add, delete, and search for your book.
We have used the following header file. Number sign includes windows.h contains declaration for all functions in the window API.
Number sign include stdio.h is a standard input-output header in C programming.
Number sign include conio.h provides console input and output.
Number sign include stdlive includes function involving memory allocation, conversion, and process control.
Number sign includes string.h define various functions for manipulating arrays.
Number sign include ctype.h is a standard library function to handle test characters.
Number sign include dos.h contains function for handling interrupt, sound, and etc.
Number sign include time.h defines function for manipulating time and date.
List of functions that can be accessed from anywhere in program.
Here it states that the coordinates of the display starts in 0, 0.
The structure of the return function listed above.
Here is the function for the display of our main menu.
These are the Unicodes for our backgrounds.
Here, we have used switch statement in a function for the choices for the user of our program, whether they can add, delete, search the books in our program.
In this code line, if ever the user put incorrect input, this will appear or display.
As you can see here, the categories are listed for what the user want to categorize the book they want to add in the compiler.
This is a function that delete items from file FP.
Here, we use while loop as infinite loop.
In this part, we use if statement for finding the books.
Here is a function that tells we want to delete.
A function that often file for reading purpose.
Here is if statement checks whether condition enters inside loop or not.
Another if statement checks whether a name is equal to S or not.
Here is a function void issue book that function that issue books from library.
Case 1 is issue book.
Another if statement that issues those which are present in library.
Case 2 is showed issue book list.
Case 3 is for search issued books by ID.
Case 4 is remove issue book from list.
Here is a declaration of temporary file for delete.
Another function show the list of book persist in library.
Here is a function that edit information about the book.
Another if statement that allow only user of enter.
Here is another function that check whether the book exists in library or not.
A function that show inactive mouse pointer in program.
And for our last function, it display issued books information. And that's the end of our program. Let's see our output.
Yo, brother A to Z.
Yo, what's up, B?
Yo, what time is it?
Haha. It's laundry day. Well, let the geek in the pink take a stab at it. If you like the way I'm thinking, baby, wink at it. I may be skinny at times, but I'm fat full of rhymes. Pass me the mic and I'm gonna grab at it. Well, isn't it delicious, crazy way that I'm kissing this, baby? Listen to this, don't wanna miss it while I'm sitting. Sometimes you gotta fit in to get in, but don't ever quit, 'cause soon I'm gonna let you in. But see, I don't care what you might think about me. You get by without me if you want. Well, I could be the one to take you home. Baby, we could rock the night alone. If we never get down, it wouldn't be a letdown. But sugar, don't forget what you already know, that I could be the one to turn you out. We could be the talk across the town. Don't judge it by the color, confuse it for another. You might regret what you let slip away, like the geek in the pink. Well, like the geek